Here's the latest generation vp44 standalone controller. Uses a microcontroller from ST. The sensor cable from the vp44. The connections from that used to be the ECM. These go to the power and solenoids, and this is a thermocouple temperature sensor to monitor temperature. And down here we have the old wonderful pump hooked up. We got that waterproof jet ski connector is the sensor, and then we got the solenoids and power there at the back. And over here we got the this is the spare one I made, so if that one goes bad I could just change that on the side of the road. Now these were some of the other earlier attempts. So we got an old Arduino there and some other, I don't even remember what that one is. That was the adaptive thing, the Max 99 something. And there was the other, this was a very successful controller here that worked for quite a while. The one, and this one here is just basically a copy of that made with real boards. And here was the very early bit of rigging I did here on, I saved this bad control unit here. This is the isolator that duplicates the signals from the VP, so it's like spying on it. There's a fuel solenoid I rewound myself and made after I burned up. Another controller that wasn't quite adequate. All to control this little thing in here that you could just barely even feel it move. All for that, to control that. So let's start this thing up. Yeah, we got some nice readouts there. The amps, it takes quite a bit of amps to hold that coil in. The solenoid. Don't have any boost right now. RPM. Up here we have the temperature sensor from that heat sink, and there's the temperature there. So it's a pretty hot day. This really doesn't get, it's really just more about under hood temperature than it's actually generating its own heat. So anyways, there we have it. And